Alright, I'm going to unbox this with an extra sharp knife. So I ordered this on the JBL website, and it's not a flip 4, for sure not. So let's go and open this without cutting ourselves. I want to have this here on camera. First unboxing. Careful of this. Ta-da! Look at this. LivePro+TWS. That's what it is. Let's see this. Oh, look, there was a label on here. Let me switch to this lens. There was a label on here and they took that off. I don't know what that label was about. What does it say? Package control, PKT control. 10/05/2021. Something. Okay. They're in there, look at it. Wow. What you can do. Okay, Google, Alexa built in. That's some of the things it can do. Adaptive noise cancellation. JBL. CUS Innovation Award. Okay. Adaptive noise cancelling, wireless charging, Bluetooth. So wireless charging is one of the things. Take a look at in 28 hours. So it is 7 hours in the headsets. I'm sorry. And 21 hours in the charger. Okay. Let's open this up. Oh, here. That's where we cut. You can see this. Look. Here's like some instruction on how to do this. Download an app to connect. Let's do this, and you can see it better. Place both earbuds in the case. Close the lid to activate. Wow. Then download and open the app to connect, and open the charging case lid to power on. That's how it goes. Okay. There it is. Look, so clean. 3 little LEDs here. USB-C charging. I wonder if I can get any closer. Okay, look at this. Let's open it up. Oh, they're not in here. Because they're on the other side. There. Okay, so let's look at this quick. There's those golden contacts. This time you can get to them to clean them very easily. Nice. Oh, when you open and close it, then the lights come on. Nice, nice, nice. What's this? Manuals. Paperwork. It's pretty thick. What's this? Oh, those are the earbuds. Got them. And then here, cables and earpieces. Bunch of earpieces. Cable there. Oh, that's a very short USB-C cable. Charging. What else? That's it? Okay, then let's put those in. Let's have to put them in here in the box. Let's see, which one is this? Oh, look at it. L. It says L, the left one. There. Oh, the lights come on. This one here. R. Right. It's a different color. This side. Bam. Closing. And now let's go back to this lens. We can see more. This needs to be charged, so USB-C. Or I do have here, last time I bought from Amazon for $10, this charger here, fast charge, right? That has a USB that goes into a USB. And this is a fast charge pad. Let's put them on there and see what happens. See that? Changes color here, and then here it starts charging. Here, look at that. You see that? Here, wireless. They don't touch, see? No connection. Look at that, it's charging. Ha! Neat. Okay, so this was the unboxing, and then I will make more videos on how to use them and also how they sound like. Can't wait. And then also using the app. Well, we need to use the app to connect. We will find out. So thanks for watching so far, and I hope you liked this video. Try to subscribe and like and share, whatever, you know. Will you marry me? That's how that looks like. Will you marry me? Yeah, will you? Oh. Interesting.